How to create multiple copies of an app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to your app library by just swiping up. So you can decide which app you want to have multiple copies of. So I'm just scrolling and I'm going to choose maybe Roblox. So I'm just going to tap on that app and then drag it to the page that I want to have the copy of. Then I'm going to go to the app library again and I'm going to use the same process, tap on the application and then drag it and bring it to the home page. So if you want more than two copies, then you can just do the process and repeat the process again and again, and you can do it until you get the number of copies you want. But just remind you that all the accounts will be same in different copies of the app. It's just apps are different with the same account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.